Information communication technologies is inducing a global change, and this change is affecting nations, businesses, individuals, and the society at large. Welcome to a special edition. It's a Zoholic event right here in Lagos, and I can tell you officially that Zoho is coming to Nigeria. What does this mean for the information communication technologies ecosystem? Global technology company Zoho has launched the Zoho Africa Digital Enabler package in Nigeria to help small businesses take steps towards digital transformation. The company, which grew by 74% last year in Nigeria, also announced it will be opening an office in Lagos and hiring more employees locally for customers-facing roles. The announcement were made on the sideline of the company's first ever conference in the country, tagged Zoholics Nigeria.
So I am a Nigerian, right? So I can vouch that we have a lot of potential in Nigeria. We have thousands, millions of youth. We have potential businesses in Nigeria that need software to run their business. And this is the time that businesses need to scale, right? And we are rightly positioned to help them scale using software and technology. So that is why we are here in Nigeria, and to provide them solution. You know, we want to give them the solution at an affordable rate, cheap, but then they get quality service. Right. So the Nigerian market should expect us to we are localizing the products. They should expect more premium service. They should expect quality service, support, and the products we are trying to make sure that it fits into the market.
With over 50 apps in nearly every major business categories, including sales, marketing, customer support, accounting, and back office operation, Zoho is reputed to be the world's most prolific software companies. Haitham Nizam, President, Middle East and Africa, Zoho, speaks on the vision and mission of Zoho.
Zoholics is our flagship user conference where we get all the customers, and prospects of Zoho under one conference, and we train them and educate them on the Zoho products. And today I'm happy to share that we have more than 250 attendees attending our Zoho conference called Zoholics, which is the first conference happening here in Lagos, Nigeria. Zoho is a company which sells software as service products. We have been in this business for the last 25 years. We have 75 million registered users. We are bootstrapped, privately held company, and we have 500,000 paying customers, organizations using Zoho, and we are going strong. And here, why are we here in Nigeria is we feel this market is really accelerating our growth, and especially in the whole Africa region, Nigeria is the fastest growing market for us, with 74% growth last year, right? So which means that the market is responding to our products, and they need Zoho products, and that's why we are here, and we want to accelerate our growth in the Nigerian market.
Ali Shabda, Regional Director, Middle East and Africa, Zoho, speaks on Zoho's United platform that brings together collaboration, productivity, communication tools, and integrate them into other business processes.
Actually, we have built in the past 25 years a very strong platform of multiple apps, up to 50 actually, that allows businesses of virtually any size to run their businesses in the cloud. So instead of using multiple solutions from multiple vendors, you can rely on one vendor, which is making it easier to learn, to maintain, and not only cost effective, but also way easier to grow your business with our digital solutions. Definitely more support, better support from our side, better understanding of what exactly it is that Nigerian market needs. We do a lot of study. We work with our local team here to understand what the market needs, and we come up with new plans, and opening the office will help us do this even more effectively. It's a growing, very growing space, and with a young and entrepreneurial population, being the largest economy in Africa and one of the largest countries in the world, we see massive potential. Government is coming up with new initiatives This private sector is coming up with a lot of spaces that digitalization and digital transformation is growing, and we can expect, despite a global economic challenge that we're experiencing right now, we can definitely expect a very good growth in digital transformation sector in Nigeria for the decade to come. Software development, of course, when you have a young and entrepreneurial population, it means that you have a lot of smart people, empowered women and men who are living in the country, and they are eager to learn and eager to build their future and the future of the country. We live in the world of knowledge. Knowledge economy is the talk of the town, and Nigeria has its own unique position in Africa and in the world to become a hub to produce software, not just to use, to produce, because of its strategic location, demographics, and definitely young and smart population. From Zoho, better software, better support, much closer relationship with our customers and our partners, new initiatives, not only with the software that we have, but also in the educational front, entrepreneurial support for the startup communities, for the academia, and the populace in general.
Reach us on the numbers and email now showing on your screen, and on behalf of the entire production crew, thanks for watching. Same time, same station. I'll be back next time. I'll see you.